वेलकम टू सुपर स्मार्टन्स। इंग्लिश ग्रामर में आज हम टेंसेस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। टेंसेस डिनोट्स द टाइम ऑफ एक्शन। द टाइम ऑफ एक्शन इज डिनोटेड बाय टेंसेस। लैटिन वर्ड टेम्पस में से टेंस बना। टेंस मीन्स टाइम। अकॉर्डिंग टू पार्ट्स ऑफ टाइम we can divide the time in three parts. First, present time. Second, past time. Third, future time. In speech or sentence, verb means word denotes action can be presented by many tenses. So mainly tense can be divided in three parts. First, present tense. Second, past tense. Third, future tense. यहाँ पे जो वर्ब है वो जितनी भी क्रियाएं हैं, थाउजेंड्स जितने वर्ब है इंग्लिश ग्रामर के अंदर। कोई भी क्रिया आप ले लें, जैसे कि प्ले खेलना, हंसना लाफ, खाना ईट, ये सारे हम जितनी भी क्रियाएं करेंगे उसके लिए जो वर्ड यूज़ होते हैं वो सारे हम वर्ब कंसीडर करेंगे। हिंदी में प्रेजेंट टेंस को हम वर्तमान काल के नाम से जानते हैं, पास्ट टेंस भूतकाल और फ्यूचर टेंस को भविष्य काल के नाम से जानते हैं। जो क्रियाएं अभी हो रही है, हर रोज़ होती है, उसके लिए हम वर्तमान काल मीन्स प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज़ करेंगे। जो क्रिया बहुत पहले हो चुकी है उसके लिए पास्ट टेंस का यूज़ करेंगे। और जो क्रियाएं होने वाली है, जो अभी तक हुई नहीं है, उसके लिए हम भविष्यकाल मीन्स फ्यूचर टेंस का यूज़ करेंगे। प्रेजेंट टेंस एक्सप्रेस वर्ब इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम। द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट टेंस इज एज फॉलोस: द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस। सबसे पहले हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के बारे में देखेंगे। रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस: ज्वलन प्लेज क्रिकेट एवरी डे। In above sentence, the verb plays refers to the present time and is therefore said to be in the present tense. Simple present tense का sentence structure: first, affirmative sentence, subject plus verb in the present plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, Jwalant plays cricket every day. Jwalant is subject, is doer, plays verb, which is word denotes action, cricket object, doers acts on it, every day rest of the sentence. First person singular, I play cricket. A sentence with other verb am, do, have. I am boy. I do agree. I have a pen. First person plural, we play cricket. A sentence with other verb like are, do, have. We are boys. We do agree. We have pen. Second person singular, you play cricket. Sentence with other verbs like are, do, have. You are boy. You do agree. You have pen. Second person plural, you play cricket. Sentence with other verb like are, do, have. You are boy. You do agree. You have pen. In third person singular, he plays cricket. She plays cricket. It plays cricket. A sentence with other verb like is, does, has. He is boy. He does agree. He has pen. Third person plural, they play cricket. Sentence with other verb like are, do, have. They are boys. They do agree. They have pen. जब आप सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ सेंटेंस बोले या लिखे तब इस बात का हमेशा ध्यान रखिए। इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस व्हेन सब्जेक्ट इज थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर एस और ईएस इज ऑलवेज एडेड टू द वर्ब रूट। इफ लास्ट लेटर ऑफ द वर्ब इज एस, एसएस, एसएच, सीएच, एक्स or O, then ES is added to the verb of simple present tense sentence with third person singular subject. For example, push, pushes, teach, teaches, miss, misses, play, plays, buzz, buzzes, fix, fixes, go, goes, was, washes. If verb ends in a consonant plus y, remove y and add ies. For example, cry, cries, study, studies. But if verb ends in a vowel plus y, simply add s without removing y. For example, play, plays. Sentence structure of affirmative sentence with to be form: subject plus is or am or are plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, I am cricketer. She is a student. The present tense of have. In present tense, have can be used as an ordinary verb to express possession. Sentence structure with have or has: subject plus have or has plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, I have a car. He has a car. In simple present tense, have can also be used an auxiliary verb. When be is used to form other tenses, it is called auxiliary verb. Negative sentence structure of simple present tense: subject plus do or does plus not plus verb in present plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, Jwalan does not play cricket every day. Sentence structure of simple present tense with to be form of the verbs like is, am, are. Subject plus is or am or are plus not plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, I am not cricketer. We are not cricketers. He is not cricketer. Negative sentence structures with have, has. Subject plus do or does plus not plus have plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, I do not have a car. He does not have a car. We do not have mobile. They do not have mobile. Different negative forms with have and has. Subject plus haven't or hasn't plus any plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, I haven't any car. He hasn't any car. Another sentence structure: subject plus have plus no plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, I have no car can also be written as I don't have any car. Sentence structure of interrogative sentence in simple present tense with do or does. Do or does plus subject plus verb plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, does Jwalan plays cricket? Do I play cricket? Interrogative sentence structures with to be form of the verb is, am, are. Is or am or are plus subject plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, in simple sentence, I am right. Interrogative sentence, am I right? Simple sentence, he is right. Interrogative sentence, is he right? Simple sentence, we are right. Interrogative sentence, are we right? Interrogative sentence structures with verb like have or has. have or has plus subject plus any plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, have I any car? Another way, do plus subject plus have plus any plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, do you have any car? Simple sentence, she has a car. Interrogative sentence, has she any car? Does she have any car? Short form of simple present tense. Positive, I am. Negative, I am not. I'm not. Interrogative, am I? Positive, we are. Negative, we are not. We aren't. Interrogative, are we? Positive, you are. Negative, you are not. You are not. Interrogative, are you? Positive, you are. Negative, you are not. Are you? Person, he is. Negative, he is not. Interrogative, is he? Positive, she is. Negative, she is not. Interrogative, is she? Positive, it is. It's. Negative, it is not. It's not. Interrogative, is it? Positive, they are. Negative, they are not. Interrogative, are they? Short forms with have. Positive, I have. Negative, I have no. I haven't any. Interrogative, have I? Positive, we have. Negative, we have no. We haven't any. Have we? You have. Negative, you have no. You haven't any. Interrogative, have you? Positive, you have. Negative, you have no. You haven't any. Interrogative, have you? Positive, she has. Negative, she has no. She hasn't any. Interrogative, has she? Positive, he has. Negative, he has no. He hasn't any. Has he? Positive, it has. Negative, it has no. It hasn't any. Has it? Positive, they have. Negative, they have no. They haven't any. Have they? Positive, I write. Negative, I do not write. Interrogative, do I write? Positive, we write. Negative, we do not write. Interrogative, do we write? Positive, you write. Negative, you do not write. Interrogative, do you write? Positive, you write. Negative, you do not write. Interrogative, do you write? Positive, he, she, it write. Negative, he, she, it does not write. Negative, interrogative, does he, she, it write? Positive, they write. Negative, they do not write. Interrogative, do they write? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share and press bell icon for our next video about uses of simple present tense. Keep watching, keep studying.